Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing how you can check your available dimensions in your uh, existing system and how you can change your wrong posted dimension from the general ledger entries. So if you type dimension in the tell me box, or you can say it a search box, you can find the dimensions corrections also. This is the page you can check. So if you had used the dimension corrections page, you can find here what you have done. I have already tried here to change some dimensions, so we can learn it. But first we can check how many dimensions we have in the existing system. So need to type here general ledger setup. This is the standard setup. You can check here, yeah, along posting date, to and from, multiple type of other features. And but I want to check here the dimensions. So we have the 8 dimensions, 2 global dimensions, department and the project assigned here. And in the shortcut dimensions, we have customer group, area, business group, sales campaign. And we are not using 7 and 8 dimension because our need has fulfilled by using these 6 dimensions. 2 are globals, so you can check header and header wise, document wise dimensions. And with the help of shortcut dimension, you can assign it to line area also. So basically this is designed for this purpose. And this is the reason global dimension is also assigned in the shortcut dimension area, to get access these dimensions in the line area also. So this is the base reason. This is the standard defined dimension. We have 8 dimensions, in which 2 global and same 2 repeatedly used in shortcut 1 and 2, and next 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th, means remaining 6 you can use line wise for the line wise dimensions. So and if you want to change your global dimension, you can change from here, but there is a system. So there is a system. First you need to change and remove first dimension, then system will allow you to, after running a batch program, after removing and make it blank. If you want to change it, first you need to remove it, make it blank. System will run a batch program here. You need to run a batch program, and after that you can assign your dimension. This is the process if you want to change. So this is not the thing which I want to tell you now. So we can later on work on this. Now the basic thing I want to tell you, that how to change your dimension, correct dimension from the posted general ledger entries. So first we need to check the general ledger entries, or you can directly type correct dimensions, create a new. So first the basic and easy step is type general ledger entries. Yeah, here it is. Now open it, you get the list. So check your list. Now we have already checked that department is a dimension, project code is a dimension, 2 global dimensions, and rest are the shortcut dimension. I need entries with using all these dimensions, so I need to assign it descending. How many entries are there? This is the Corona system, this is a demo company, and this is the, I'm using the educational version. And so you can check the date is the future date, because some standard posted entries are there here. So see, customer group code, we can easily increase the length of the columns in BC in the list page. Customer group code is medium, area code 30, and the business group code is office. So we can use this entry if we want to change any dimension here, but I need to select this, and yeah, the department code as the first dimensions for the sales. Next is customer group and business group code. Okay, we can select this one because here 3 dimension are using, and here also we have the department code. So now need to check the correct dimension option. This is covered under entry option. Click on the correct dimensions. Here you can assign your dimension. And use this thing to correct your spelling. We are correcting dimensions here. Yeah, so this is the example. You can change what you want to write here. You can write that kind of thing here, and if you had designed some dimension analysis view, you can also click on this to update. And now see dimension correction change. These are the assigned dimensions. This is the global dimensions. So global, you can because the office is, the second global dimension is not assigned here, office, because entry only containing the mandatory assigned dimension, and so the mandatorily assigned dimensions are these kind of dimensions. And we can check the selected entries also. See here, we can check the selected. See, this is the entry. This is also showing. You can also check the related entries, and you can also add by dimension. You can use these feature also. You can explore it later on. And now the thing is that we need to work on the purpose of this video to how to correct dimensions in posted ledger entries. So I need to change. See, dimension code, area, business, these are the dimensions code. Dimension value means if you have multiple areas and area name is 30, 40, 100, 60, you are recognize area by numeric numbers. So you can assign by adding multiple values as number. And business group, you can assign values as different names, different groups. So you can based on your requirement, how do you recognize the thing based on main dimension code, you can assign your group. So small, medium, large, if this is the group code for the customer group, you can assign this kind of values. Departments, the perfect examples of department values means how different kind of departments you have, how many departments you are running. So sales, purchase, HR, finance, operations, etc., you can assign here. And salesperson code, you can assign based on the person name. So this is the assigned values. It means this is used in posted ledger entries. This is used in posted ledger entries, Europe North. Okay, this is the 30 is the code and name is this. This is used in the entries. This is used in the entries, and this is also used in the entries, and this is also used in entries, and the last one. So you need to check this is already used in the posted entries. And if you can find that you need to assign the some another code for this area, so you need to change by using new dimension value code. Click here. If you don't want to change, keep it same as it is appears, or you can find the multiple dimension values based on the area. Here this is defined 10, 20, 30, 40. So you can check, and you can make all the total and subtotal also for the dimensions, for the grouping and subgroupings. See, and if I want to assign, this is for America North, so I can make it change to 70. So system will allow you to change it to another dimension value, and you can change. But if you have only one if you have the information to change only one dimension, leave all the thing as it is. So I only need to change this one, and we can select to change from the entire full list. And after changing, is it saved? Is it fruitful for the posted entries? It has been changed or not? So currently it is not. You need to validate this dimension value change. So click after changing the values in the list, this is getting appearing as bold. And now click on this validate dimension changes, run immediately, or we can run immediately from here, or you can schedule it also for the later on timing based on your timing, and click on OK. Job to validate dimension was successfully scheduled. So this is the predefined settings, and I need to check this. See, this is in the draft because some scheduling function is activated. So run immediately, and we can need to remove it because these are the scheduling parameters, and don't want to schedule it. Maximum number of attempt. If the power failure and something interruptions is running in the upcoming time, when this is running in the this will run on the entries to change the history. So we can assign 2 attempt. If some power failure or another thing happen, this will attempt to 2 times. See, now the message appears dimensions correction was successfully scheduled. Why in progress? Now why in progress? I need to run it now. So we need to check why this is gone to job queue. This is validate analysis view, set update analysis completed, and because job queue was already assigned, that's why it is going into job queue. I need to check what is the issue. So already if you think this is finished, no, this is not finished. This is saved on the job queue as a time-based scheduling. So we need to check why, and we need to check with the C. This is the reporting. No, I need to check the background posting. Post with job queue. Channel post. Journal ledger posting. I think this is the reason, so I need to remove it. And now we can find our dimensions, corrections, entries by using this option also. So check in the draft area where it is. Is it here? No. So I need to check again. Where is it? With the dimensions and dimensions corrections. So you need to type correctly. So is there any? No, nothing is here. No draft entries. So we need to check where is my entry, and my entry is, I need to cross check where is the entries. So we haven't saved the number, but I remember the values. 5971. Yeah, this is the one. This is the one, and we need to check no draft entries and history of dimension corrections. See, history of dimension corrections. This is the conclusion of the story. History of dimension corrections. We need to check this. We are correcting dimensions here in posted entries. Status is completed. If no job queue is running in the background area, dimension corrections page will show status is completed. So we can check, we can view. So see, this is my changed dimensions of the posted entries. We are correcting dimensions here in posted entries. This is the description what I had assigned, and this is the change to 70 new dimensions. So we can also check the entry also. So we need to check the entry, and what we need to check, show selection criteria. No, I don't want to check with this. I need to navigate this. Is there any navigate function is here? Entry number is 2845. See, click on the entry number. This is the thing, and I need to check where is the corrected dimension. This is here. Yeah, this is 70. I have changed this from the older 30 to 70, the area code from Europe to America. See the name as description. This is it. Now I'm closing the video. Thank you for watching.